Rubik's Cube.
Go! Now this is the Alistair challenge to see if he can do it under 2 minutes. Daddy, before the camera started, messed up the Rubik's Cube really badly, so badly that nobody can fix it. And so Al, what's the first step that you're doing?
The date. Well, right now I'm actually on the second step already,
Okay.
and this one's called the easy. Basically, it makes a white cross along the bottom. Then the next step is the 1, 2, 3 move that fills in all the white corners.
So you're getting one first?
And right now I'm on the third step. The 1, 2, 3 move. It uses 3 twists to make one corner go into the right spot.
All right, we're at 1 minute, Al. Okay, I see one white corner, one white side. Now you must be on another step now. One minute and 30 seconds. Take your time though. This is the first time that Al's done it in a recording, so you know we'll keep doing this until he can get it. See how fast he can do it. And you've done it 16 times today. This is 17, right? 18. See, Daddy's messing up was very effective, wasn't it? So it's 2 minutes and 38 seconds, almost 3 minutes now. Wow, Alistair, that's coming together now, isn't it? Wow, there's many sides that are done now.